I know. I'm waiting for this rod too. So. Yeah, but like this one I have a hair rig on. This one I don't.
What do you have on that one? Just hooks?
Yeah.
Kevin, you know any good catfishing spots?
There's Buena Vista and Lake Ming. And I would just use like chicken liver. I mean not chicken liver, chicken breast. Just straight up the meat. It stays on the hook better and like, or you can use like a hot dogs.
Yeah, there's fucking something lame with it.
I know. I'm hoping it's not a turtle.
You seen that shit, the line?
I'm looking at it right now.
Shut up. Eat you.
Bro, I wish I have enough money to buy a GoPro so like it gets like a wider frame.
That would be nice.
I'm like trying to figure out like what's better, a chest cam or like a headset. Or should I just get like a tripod?
I would do the chest. The chest is better. The headset, like, it's just too high. I'm about to go to the skate park.
You going to the skate park?
Go skating real quick.
Hmm.
Or there's this little bastard.
Go for it. Go for it.
No, but I don't want to see my shot.
No, you're supposed to move around, glide it around. Just do it. You'll understand why. Just glide it. No, get it out of the water and glide it. Let me see your rod. Let me see your rod. Let me see your rod. This is what you're supposed to do. Where is he now?
It's in that dark spot. Did you catch a catfish out of this lake?
Yeah. There you go. I think it's down. No, you see that around the drainage area?
Yeah.
You see those two like the benches, the tables? That's where I caught it. You have a fluke? No, a fluke.
Oh,
If he has a fluke, I'll be not be here. I'll be like packing my stuff. I'm going. I might have to cut out some of the footage.
Some what?
Cut out some of the footage.
Cut out what?
Footage.
Oh. Oh, you will. You can do it on your phone.
I know.
You have an iPhone?
This is an iPhone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can just edit it.
Andrew, forgot my line's going this way.
It's alright? No,
The line's drifting?
it's mine.
Shut it, bro. What if it's in
right
his
here
mouth?
and then it... Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Dude, set that shit.
Not yet, not yet. I have to wait. It has to swallow the hook first.
I mean, if it's moving, then you might as well just set it, bro.
No, oh no. That's a turtle for sure.
How do you know?
It's not swimming off.
Fucking set the turtle then. Fuck it.
Well, just hold it in your hand.
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
That man said, shit's drifting.
Drip.
Get that fucking bitch, bro.
Might just be a small one.
It might be.
Hey, dude, hey, dude, it's fucking pulling.
What the fuck?
Yo, come on.
Whoa.
Dude, that shit was fucking pulling.
You should have waited. You should have waited for
Hey,
that
look,
bite.
look at the hair. Look at the hair. Before you cast out again.
Yeah, this is what I'm using.
See how there's like a little. It's kind of like the wacky rig clip, but then it's you put shit on there. That's the juice. I watched that full catfish and carp, dude. Oh, look at this fucking duck.
Hey, let me just. There. You got something to eat.
Shit fell off.
Hold this.
Any bite?
Yep.
So this time, take out the bell, pick it up with your hand, feel the bite, set it.
There you go.
Don't just reel in.
Oh, for usually on my bell, it usually just falls off. Because I like squeeze out a lot, so like every time when I set the hook, it comes off.
Oh, fucking fish in here, dude. Except carp. Everybody took the bath. Took them home.
Oh,
Oh. I was like, what the hell is that?
I was like, what the? If it's another fish, I'll start crying. I'm not prepared.
I thought that was some fucking raging.
But there is something eating. There is something eating that one.
There's nothing biting there. Is there actually shit there?
Hey, you know. I'm finna. Bro, honestly, look, that's the shit, dude. That's the shit right there. That his bait. Just punko but shit.
I prefer cereal.
Cereal?
Yeah, because in cereal there's a lot more gluten than bread. And I'm gonna need my baiting meat. Huh? For carp?
Yeah.
Like. Nope, my line's down.
Slacking it now. I want to reel up this boat.
Just hold in your hand.
Not yet.
And see if it's an actual bite or not. Turtle. Yeah. Hey, you don't fish that lake no more or what?
Huh? I do.
We're about to move in there. You can move with us if you want. You want to re-rig up there?
I bet you catch one of the fucking big ass ones.
Nah.
Fucking big ass koi fish.
The kois? Oh god.
Hey, dude, maybe tie on my second. Everything got a time and place.
Like, what time are you here till?
Huh?
What time are you here till?
Oh, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to watch my system.
Huh.
I just got a whole bunch of stuff to do at the time, but I want to get it done before gas. I don't have to do anything. I know if I don't know. Hey.
Not yet, not yet. What? It's Wednesday.
Friday morning, I'm gonna be here though, because I don't leave till like what?
My brother will be here on Monday.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go see
Monday?
There we go.
There you go. There you go. No way.
Oh, that's a big
I'm
one.
gonna be your net. You don't need it. You don't need it.
No, I do.
Is that big?
It might. It's running towards me.
Real fast as fuck.
No, I need to play it.
It's gonna pop off.
Yeah, that's what happened to me last time. Oh yeah, it's hey over here. Turn over here. Right here.
Oh yeah, I see him. Bring him up. Oh. Bring him this way. Oh, dude. You don't need a net.
Oh, I hooked them both.
He's fucking jumped out of the net, dude. That shit was awesome.
I need to put it in the net when I'm unhooking them.
Oh, damn, bro. Even for a small one, that shit fight.
Yeah, I told
No
you.
way, bro.
Hey, it works.
No way. No fucking way. Hey, you need help? Or?
Yeah, just hold the net. I'm just gonna unhook them.
You got that shit all on?
On, yeah.
That's good.
Okay, this one's.
Man, this fool's heavy. Hey, let me hold him before you throw him back. I've never.
I need to
thrown
weigh.
a card.
I need to weigh him.
Are you gonna weigh him?
Yeah.
You got a scale?
Yeah, I always bring a scale. Like my personal best is only like 1 pound.
Hey, before you throw him back, I want to see how big his mouth is. I want to see if that hook will fit in there.
Alright, let me just.
Because if it does, then I'm finna just. I'm
gonna keep him?
Have you tie it up on
Yeah,
that.
huh?
You gonna keep him?
No.
You can throw him back?
Hey, but here's the thing. My mom's just gonna kill me if I just keep it. If I keep it. No. If I throw it back, because she's like, dinner. You threw away our dinner. I need pliers.
Pliers. I got pliers.
Hold on. I think. I think I have pliers. Oh no, I left my pliers at home.
You got some right there.
Okay. Thank you. This is.
Dude, that's awesome. Fucking sick.
I'm like telling you right now, just. And you're.
Dude, I just get hyped, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hyped as fuck right now.
And you guys are telling me go to the back lake now.
Fuck, I don't know. If you catch another one, bro, I might just have to rig up, bro. Carp rig that shit.
You got a rod holder?
Yeah, I do. It's like yours.
Sort of. Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Like. Where's my scale? Oh, it's like, don't tell me I left my scale at home.
Hey, that's pretty cool carp.
Are you gonna move with us, Kevin?
I'm gonna stay.
I think he might stay. I don't blame him. I want to start carp fishing, dude. I just want to catch like when the bass bite not on, dude. I always count on that carp.
It is a pound and pound 12.
Pound 12?
You want to hold
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah. Hold on, hold him right there. I want to see if this will like the hook will kind of fit in his
Oh
mouth.
no, it wouldn't. Like,
Yeah, it would.
No, if you have like the hair rig, no.
You don't think so? Alright, let me hold him. You don't think it'll fit?
I'm gonna like little fish egg. Give this thing a kiss.
What?
Give it a kiss.
What the fuck?
Give it a kiss.
Hell no.
I know. You want?
But he got like a little mustache, bro.
Yeah, his
Like a little
feelers.
catfish.
Yeah.
Where's he there? How you hold this?
So this eye's swollen as hell.
There's no proper way to hold because you can't lip them.
You can lip him.
No,
Why not?
they don't have the same mouth structure as a bass.
I'm gonna do it right now. Fuck it.
Well, it's too slippery.
Yeah, sucking on that shit, dude. Yeah, I'm lipping this motherfucker, bro. There you go. Bro,
All
you're
right.
sucking on your fucking finger. I think that
All right.
could work.
Yeah. Be honest though.
You didn't hear him? Glizzy, glizzy, bro.
Where is he?
Yeah, I think that hook would work.
Mm.
Plus, I want to catch it. Well, I got this one.